Hey YouTube, how you doing today? Out here in my workshop, just trying to clean up a bit. As you can see, it's a bit messy. Just one of those things you got to do once in a while. Things in the background. Got some company by my chickens. It's rainy outside, so I'll let them run around in the workshop. Thought I'd be trying out the Samuel Gawith full Virginia flake today. Recommended by a lot of people. Looks nice. Real nice can. So I got recommended it's a real moist tobacco, so I dried it up a bit. Laid out on a just like a paper cloth first, and after that I just tore it up into small pieces and stuffed my pipe with it. Got my Peterson pipe. Peterson. I don't know what the serial number of it is, but it came in a gift pack. Kind of cheap, but I like it. It's my first pipe, and keeping my eyes out for other stuff, but it will do for now. So. Damn chickens! See if I can set up the camera here somewhere. As usually, I do it from my iPhone or my iPad. So I'll hope it works. There you go. Oh, looks like I got a halo. Let's move it a bit. Just gotta move my tools so I can make room for the camera. See all the uses you can have with the tool board. Hang your tools on it and put your camera when you're doing YouTube clips. I hope it doesn't fall down and break. Secure it here with this miniature crowbar. And we're all good. As I said, it's my workshop. It's not that much work, it's more messy, but hey, I guess that's part of it. I hope it's not too moist. I tried to let it dry up a bit, but I'm not quite sure as how much I should let it dry up. Bought myself a pipe lighter. You can see it. It's kind of cool. Already got scratches on it, of course. It's a saw. Got the pecker in the bottom of it, neatly hidden. I already noticed that it got real loose, so it tends to fall off. But I really don't care. I got my favorite pipe tool anyway, so I don't care if I lose it. I got the thing going on the side, so I can light her up real easy. See how this goes. Try to pack it real good. Kind of hard when the flakes are that big, I think, but it might be too moist still, but give it another go. It's better. usually smoke cigars, so I've been a bit disappointed with the pipe tobacco so far. I don't get quite that tobacco flavor that you get from a cigar. I'm not that big a fan of nicotine, so I never really inhale, but I like the taste of tobacco, so I find tobacco. Right. That's the chickens. Just stop fighting in a minute. So. I like the taste of it. It's more of a tobacco taste than I used to smoke my own blend, the bourbon thing with it. Had a real nice aroma to it. And my friends who sat around me while I was smoking said the smell of it was amazing, but the taste was okay, but not a big sensation to me. So. Yeah, it feels a bit moist yet. I think the tobacco's too wet, but I like the taste of it, so it's going to be an interesting thing to try out later on. Trying to grow into it. I still haven't really broken in my pipe yet. It's about the fifth or sixth time I smoke it. I want something with a bigger bowl to grab a hold on. I'd like to test that one. That's a nice one, Daddy. It's still kind of hard to keep it going, so I think it's a bit wet, but try and let it dry up. I don't know if you can hear the noise. It's the chickens. They're about to fight. They got two roosters. Trying to be dominant, both of them. So usually the bigger one gets beat up all the time. don't know if you can see, I had a welding accident with my beard. That's why it looks a bit funny. I burn out a bit in the middle of here, so I don't want to cut it off, so just keep it going. Hopefully it'll grow back. That's a nice one. I really like that one. Just gonna let it dry out a bit more next time. Well, that was my first try of the Samuel Gawith full Virginia flake. Not gonna bore you anymore with this. Gonna keep trying a bit more to get it going. But I think it's too wet still. Gonna let it dry out a little bit more. And just try it next time. Cheers, mofos. See you next time.